Hi, good evening. My name is Ramendra Kumar Sinha from Unukuri, Tripura. Please like and share my videos. Today I am discuss for 7 register under MGN Raga. 7 register to be mandatorily maintained by Gram Panchayat under Mahatma Gandhi and Raga, a good governance initiative. There are 7 register, and this is the first register, register 1. Register 1 for job card application, job card registration, job card issue, household employment reports. This is the first page of your register. Please paste in a first page in the register and mention your Gram Panchayat, your block, your district and state name. Please mention previous reference or letter reference. If register is more than 1, 2, 3, then previous reference and letter reference are mandatorily to be filled for tracing the registers. And please mention job card register's serial number. Next page. Register 1 has a 4 part. That means part A, part B, part C, part D. So let's go to part A. Direction of part A. The GRS or authorized person shall print this part A in the first week of financial year. It is a yearly one time. This will be a running list of printed and pasted in a landscape mode. Please note, it is a landscape mode register from MGN Raga Soft MIS under the GB report sections. R6 registers, only column number 12 is to be maintained manually, which is individual assets constructed if any. Next, register 1 part B. This is a manual register. There is a number 13 number of column. So you can, so direction of part B. Once part A has printed and pasted, part B, which is a blank format, will be printed and pasted from next page where part A pasting ended. In the physical register, this part is to be filled manually by GRS or the authorized person based on the job card application received and decisions thereof. This format report, being completely manual, is not available in MIS. Please note, viewers, it is not available in MIS. Only the format of as a PDF format is available for downloading and printing for pasting the format in the job card. Yes, sorry, register. So part B has to be maintained for a quarter, for the quarter and manually. The GRS or authorized person need to be ensured that simultaneously updation of MIS is done with respect to all new job card issued in that quarter. Please note, viewers, in particular number of job card you have to issue, please entry in the MIS for they getting the works. Register 1 part 3. Direction of part 3. As per the guideline, at the end of every quarter, the GRS will select or the authorized person will select the radio updation information part C of the report will be displayed, which will have same information as in part A for the households that have been issued job card in that quarter. If any, she will then print this update part and paste on the register in continuation to part B. If updates are 0, please note viewers, if update are 0, then nothing will be printed or pasted. Is a part 3 register 1 party, it is only pasted if the updation is available. If update are 0, then nothing will be needed to printed and pasted. Okay, but as per the provision available in the MIS, no radio button in the name of the update information is available in the part C. Let's check. There is a part C, there is a format. Can check the online format. Please, this is a PDF. I will install in my computer. Please note, there is no options available for the selecting the radio button. Okay, so I tell you, but as per the provision available in the MIS, no radio button in the name of update information is available in part C. In that case, GRS or authorized person is hereby requested or instructed or anything, select the quarter name from the drop down list available in drop down list and print and fix in the register. But there is available of the drop down list where you can select your quarter. This is a quarterly register, so you can print it quarterly. So quarterly selection option is available here, so you can maintain your register quarterly as per the provision of MIS. Register 1 part D, direction part D. As per the guideline, at the end of the every quarter, after pasting the part C in the register 1, the GRS or authorized person will select the radio button employment provided. This will filter the job cards against which worker had taken employment in that or previous quarters of the financial year and print their job card number, etc. in descending order based on the number of cumulative percentage for the job households. But as per the provision available in the MIS, no radio button in the name of employment provided. Again, I mention again, this problem is arise again. Yeah, but as per the provision available in the MIS, no radio button in the name of employment provided is available in part D. No other filtering option is also available. In that case, no other option is available for identifying the worker had taken employment in that or previous quarters. There is no provisions available to select the worker who work these particular quarters or that particular quarters. This is a cumulative register available in the MIS. But as per the guideline, they are instructed us to maintain that is quarterly and mention quarter based records in a register. In that case, GRS or authorized person is hereby requested to print the first quarter record and fix its register. It is available. So it is a cumulative reports. So you can print it easily first quarter and maintain your register. After first quarter, you need to maintain by own or manually. There is no choice. How you can identify the persons who work in particular quarter? There is no options. No dates are available for register. Can you see that? I showing you. There is a register date. No options are available for selecting, or no date are also available for selecting. You can only identify the worker who work in that quarter only the base of your master roll number. You should be mentioned. This MIS report has not mentioned the date of the work or master role, so you are not able to find with the previous quarter list or present quarter list, so you can manage it. So after first quarter you need to maintain by own or manually due to non-filtering options available. Next, register 2. Register for Gram Sabha meetings, minus resolutions and prioritized list of works. Special social loaded Gram Sabha meetings, minus resolutions and actions taken reports. There is a first page. You should be maintained block, district, state, previous reference if volume versions are available for your register. Directions of register 2. The existing format of the Gram Sabha meetings and minus register will be maintained as it is. The register will be maintained on an ongoing basis. Okay. Register 3 is the toughest register out of the 7 register. It's for demand for works, allocation of works, payment of wages register. Okay. This is the first page. You also mention in the real register. Direction register 3. Completely manually maintained running register to be maintained by the GRS authorized persons and of every month. That means this is a monthly register. Manual register is in case of a non-working NREGA soft. Okay, this is the register for in the case of non-working NREGA soft in MIS in future. This register carries the most important information relating to the workers and is necessary as a backup. Okay. Register 3 is a blank format, will be printed and pasted in the register and updated manually in every month by GRS or authorized persons. Okay, this is a format you should. This is available in the NREGA soft for printing, downloading and printing. Then is a register for works. This is a two part. Register for A, register B. Register A is a work register and register part B is a work-wise details of works like wage, material, skill, semi-skill payment. Okay, this is the first page. You should also mention in your register. Direction register 4. Register for works. Register for part A having details relating to the assets, list of works in the previous or that quarter printed from MIS and fixed in the physical register for monthly or quarterly. Okay, you have the choice. Register for part B. After fixing the list of works part A, you need to click on every work code of part A to find the part B of all works fixed in register for part A and paste it next page of part A in a register monthly or quarterly. Example, total works 10 notes taken up in the current in the quarter and per page 10 notes works are printed. That means 3 pages pasted in the register 4. Then from the next page you pasted 13 notes pages for part B in the register 4. This is the online. You should print it from here. And for maintaining register part 1 also you can maintain part B for clicking the link of work. Okay, then after clicking the work code you should find this page and also print it for every work code and maintain the register part B. Then comes register 5 is a fixed asset register. There is a two part A, part B. Part A belongs to details of the assets and part B belongs to works details of asset. This is a performer you should be mentioned. Okay. There is a register fixed asset register part A details of assets. Okay. The GRS or authorized person should maintain the field asset register both part A and part B after completed of work in the MIS manually. Example, first page is for part A and second page is for part B. There is a part B, work details assets. There is a paste as a second page of part A and maintain in manually. There is a work code, the work code completion date, work name, person days, unskilled material, other fund, signature of the GRS or other persons who authorized for her. Then comes to register 6. This is a complaint register. This is a performer you also mentioned. Direction of register 6, that means complaint register. It is to be noted that column number 6, 7, 8, 9 may be blank. This can be updated manually and similar details must be entered in MIS so that in next quarter an updated report is available for printing. Okay. In the next month, a fresh printout will be taken and pasted after the report of previous month and the register has to be maintained in the same way. Thus, by financial year and the last month report will give the most up-to-date information about the status of complaints in that Gram Panchayat for that financial year. Okay. This is a format. Register 6, material register. This performer you also mentioned. Direction of register 6. The register is available online in NREGA Soft. This report has 14 columns. 1 to 10 are pre-printed. Means you may be find from MIS. Column number 11 to 14 are blank. It should be filled by manually. Column number 14 is a blank and is to be filled manually. In this column, the TA means technical assistant shall affix his signature after verifying the details entered manually, which are entered by GRS or other authorized persons. In the next month, a fresh printout will be taken and pasted after the report of previous month. And the register has to be maintained in the same way. Thus, by financial year and the last month report will give the most up-to-date information about the status of complaints and that Gram Panchayat for that financial year. Register 6 is a material register, is a online performer you should find. 13, 11, 12, 13, 14 you should be maintained manually. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe my channel MIS Solution, and also like other videos on my channel. Thank you.